Glucose Fluorometric Assay Kit Experimental Operation Guide. Kit Reagents. Kit Components. Sample Preparation. Melt sample slowly on ice. Sample dilution. Reagent Preparation. The preparation of reagent 2 working solution. Dissolve a vial of reagent 2 with 250 microliter of reagent 1. Mix. The preparation of chromogenic agent working solution. Mix the reagent 1, reagent 2 working solution, and reagent 3 at a ratio of 23 to 1 to 1. Mix. The preparation of standard curve. The preparation of 50 micromole per liter glucose standard. Mix the reagent 4 and reagent 1 at a ratio of 1 to 99. Mix. Dilute the standard according to the recommended dilution gradient. Mix. Make a mark. Operating steps. Standard well. Add 50 microliter of standards with different concentrations into the wells of 96 well microplate. Sample well. Add 50 microliter of sample into the wells of 96 well microplate. Add 15 microliter of chromogenic agent working solution and mix fully. Mix fully with the microplate reader for 10 seconds. Paste on plate sealer. Incubate at 37 degrees for 15 minutes with shading light. After 15 minutes, measure the fluorescence intensity with fluorescence microplate reader. Excitation wavelength 535 nanometer. Emission wavelength 590 nanometer. Analysis of experiment data with Excel. Plot the standard curve. By using fluorescence value of standard and corresponding concentration as y-axis and x-axis respectively. The concentration of the sample can be calculated according to the formula based on the fluorescence volume of sample.